We're here in beautiful, foggy Encinitas, California, along the Pacific Coast, where Toyota is hosting an Evolution. This is talking about all their EV-related vehicles. That includes hybrids like the Prius, which has been around for 20 years, the plug-in hybrids, fuel cell hybrids like the Mirai, now in its second generation, and the brand new bZ4x. Let's go back to last night's introduction of the bZ4x to learn more about the new all-electric SUV from Toyota coming to the U.S. market in 2022.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mike Tripp, and I'm with the Toyota marketing team. Welcome to Evolution 2.0, and thank you for joining us here in Encinitas. bZ4x is arguably one of the coolest vehicles that we're bringing to the market. With the spaciousness of an SUV, the home-like comfort of a luxury sedan, and the fun driving performance to help set it apart from the rest, this production model next to me is well positioned in the sweet spot of the market. And the best part is, it's a Toyota with the legendary quality, durability, and reliability that our customers expect. Under the new moniker, bZ, which stands for Beyond Zero, the battery electric bZ4x represents Toyota's latest commitment to carbon neutrality and further expands our global electrified vehicle portfolio. With this vehicle, no brand offers more electrified powertrains to choose from, including hybrid, plug-in hybrid, fuel cell, and battery electric. Based on the design theme, high-tech yet emotional, the styling is bold and modern with an aggressive posture and a distinct look, including what our chief engineer calls hammerhead front styling. Now, we push the wheels to the corner, extending the wheelbase for better handling. And the rear trapezoid shapes of the lamps, the back door, and the bumper express a progressive styling of the bZ4x. And thanks to the new eTNGA BEV platform, it offers a lower center of gravity along with great rigidity, in part because the battery is positioned under the floor and we have enhanced cross bracing. The result is agile responsiveness, steady linear acceleration, a fun single pedal drive mode, and highly precise output control. And when you combine that with our all-new all-wheel drive system with X mode, which you wouldn't expect from a BEV, you get an exhilarating yet confident experience suited for everything from daily driving to light off-roading. The futuristic edgy styling extends to the interior with every detail purposely engineered. It offers premium finishes and driver-centric design that makes you feel like you're one with the vehicle. Now, passengers will feel well pampered as well, given the spaciousness of the seating and the abundant legroom throughout. Our unique instrument panel and precision-placed MID screen expands the vehicle's sense of space while helping to keep the driver's eyes up and on the road for safety. And bZ4x is loaded with intuitive tech features, including Toyota's completely redesigned audio multimedia system, equipped with a concierge-like user interface that's accessible through sight, touch, and voice. We'll also have an available digital key that can lock the vehicle, as well as start it with the tap of your smartphone. And our most advanced safety system to date, TSS 3.0, with improved pre-collision system and dynamic radar cruise control. And bZ4x will be Toyota's first vehicle to add future functions and capabilities through over-the-air updates. bZ4x will offer an estimated range of 250 miles with a battery that will hold a targeted 90% of its capacity after 10 years. And speaking of charge, to maximize accessibility and our customers' home charging experience, we're working on providing convenient solutions for our customers for home charging equipment as well as support for installation. We know that home charging is an important aspect of BEV ownership for all customers. Additionally, we also know that public charging is an important component of the BEV experience, and we plan to make announcements in these areas in the near future. Overall, we're excited to add bZ4x to our extensive portfolio of electrified vehicles, with styling that complements a modern urban lifestyle combined with Toyota's reputation for quality, durability, and reliability. And we're confident that the bZ4X will be a fantastic choice for a variety of customers when it goes on sale in the US next year.